So you've decided to put yourself out there and make a video for your business. Some simple planning can help the final result, as well as your video's performance on YouTube or whatever video hosting platform service you use.
Planning means you're gonna need to think about your messaging and what you're trying to communicate. I'm Darlene, that's Emily, and we're gonna review the 5 best practices for planning video content. Let's get planning.
The first thing you need to think about are your first 15 seconds.
Over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube each minute, and YouTube knows a thing or two about online video and how it performs.
And part of that performance means your audience will decide within the first 15 seconds if they want to keep watching your video. So you need to make it good so that they're engaged and they keep watching.
That's why you need a hook, an eye-catching visual, grab their attention with a "I almost died" or a teaser of what's coming up later in the video.
Outline your key points. There's nothing worse than publishing a video and then realizing you forgot to include something really important. So jot it down and organize it into a consumable format.
Some great ways to format it are 3 tips, or the 5 best practices for creating video content.
Focus on flow. In your outline, you should have identified a structure for what you'll say. This will help ensure that what you say has a predictable pattern for your audience. If you tell them you're going to give them 4 tips, keep it 4, not 4 with 2 bonus tips.
And those tips or steps should have a transition between each of them. That creates the pattern that your audience can easily spot, and most importantly, remember from your content. Just make it flow, then go with it.
Structure is key. Here's a simple structure for your video. It's called HICC, which stands for hook, intro, content, and call to action.
Most people nail the first 3, but as a business, you have to have a call to action. You should be able to ask your customers or audience to do something. Like, please subscribe, or give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below. Those are all valuable asks that you can use to build a following.
Finally, number 5. We did say 5 best practices. Shoot for the edit. This means camera angles, lighting, props, all that stuff. You need to review these elements so that you're not messing around with them while you're trying to shoot.
And practice your outline. Make sure your camera's focused, lighting's good, audio's spot on. And always shoot more than you think you'll need. And that means more takes of key points and important lines.
And that's the 5 best practices for making sure your video shoot goes smoothly so you can get back to business.
I'm Darlene, that's Emily, and we'll see you around.